Hey, it's Patrick at Distracted Dragon Home again, and just want to do a quick Etsy store update. And I wanted to answer a question from Samurai underscore X3082 that he asked. And I'm sorry it took me so long to get this, technical difficulties. So, anyhow, we're going to jump into this. So, here is my listing. You also see somebody else has the same listing. The price difference is because these are the size of the rubber ducks that you see in Jeeps, and this is the full size version. So we're going to come in here. We're going to go to Ranger Duck. We are going to pick the small one. We are going to do, let's just do gold, and then we'll buy it now. Okay, so here we are. We're in Teleport over on Slant 3D. This duplicated because I screwed up my ship station. When I added the new store, it accidentally got linked to the old store, so that's fixed. But for now, we're going to go in. We ordered the Ranger small gold, so we're going to pick this. We are going to come in here and we're going to go, and it is called Ranger Ducky 1. We don't need any components, but if we did, say we wanted to hollow this out and have a puck light in there, we could add it here. This is what's going to let us add anything we want, you know, a tea light, the screws, magnets, clocks, whatever we've got going, we want to just make sure that we've got them added to this. Now, they don't assemble, but they will put it in the package so that your customer can put it together. So we go ahead and we say, this is next. We ordered gold, so we're doing this. So now, once this is done, we are going to have a match set up. So the next time somebody orders a small gold duck, it will automatically process. We won't have to come in and do this again. But the nice part is, until it sells, we don't have to do this. So we're going to create the match. And then it's going to give me the option to process the order, which I am not going to because I just put it through for the video. So we got so see, we got this, and we'll just do make it later. That's it. As far as the store, we've had almost 200 views and almost 100 visits and no sales. I realized this was going to happen when I chose this. I did this more for proof of concept to show how easy this was. This store will take off shortly because Mother's Day and Father's Day are coming up, and both are big gift giving occasions, and the tankards and the ducks are much more related because they're a little bit higher priced objects, that they are going to be more of a I give this to you, not I buy this for myself kind of gift. So knowing that with the economy right now and everybody is kind of in flux, sales across the board I think have pretty much dropped off for everybody. I know in my other stores it has. But the thing is that I can continue to grow my inventory so that I can produce and have more items. What I'm doing is building out these stores with an eye towards the holiday season, because that's when you're going to do probably 50% of your business. So the rest of the year is, for me, is just gearing up the stores to be ready for Christmas and Hanukkah and Kwanzaa and anything else you celebrate. So I hope this helps clarify the situation. I'll get this dropped on YouTube real quick so that everybody can see it. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk soon.